Rashmi from Just Tutors, and today we are going to learn about different species and their properties. Under this lesson we have 4 objectives to complete. It's Flora and Fauna, Endemic Species, Wildlife Sanctuary and National Park. Before completing these, we have a pre-assessment that would help you to understand this lesson more. So read every sentence carefully and then try to use the suitable word to complete the sentence. After getting your answers, you can match your answers with the correct word given next to the statement. Moving ahead, and here we have the first topic, which is about flora and fauna. Animals are comfortable and happy in their own habitat. That's true with everyone, that we all like to live in our own houses and homes. Same with the animals. We should not disturb them. Some animals and plants typically belong to a particular area. The plant and animal found in particular area are termed as flora and fauna. So the animal which has their fixed habitat, those habitat termed as flora and fauna. You can see the picture below. We are talking about in terms of plants as well as for animals. The next thing is endemic species. So it's synonymous to the extinct animal or the extinct species. Due to of the deforestation, some of the animals are very rare to be seen, and such species are termed as endemic species. So endemic species are very specific about places or zone. They are very less and do not found everywhere easily. In plant, sal and wild mangoes are 2 species which are endemic flora of Pachmari Biosphere Reserve. We have a good discussion on our previous video about Biosphere Reserve, which work for the protection and conservation of wildlife. So destruction of the habitat in other words, we say that this deforestation causes endemic species. Let's proceed further, and the next thing is wildlife sanctuary. We have a little discussion about it. There is some more regarding wildlife sanctuary. Like reserve forest, wildlife sanctuary provide protection and suitable living condition to wild animals. So it work to protect wildlife. So do you know any wildlife sanctuary nearby? You can give it a thought. There are many animals who are on the verge of extinction. There are some I have listed in the paragraph below. So it's like black buck, white-eyed buck and many more. Next topic for us is national park. National park are also a biosphere reserves, and they are diverse enough to protect whole set of ecosystem. They preserve flora, fauna, landscapes and historic object of an area. There is another term for the animals who are on the verge of extinction, and that's called endangered animals. There is a project termed Project Tiger was launched by the government to protect the tiger in the country, because they are now very less in numbers and almost on the verge of extinction. So this project works in the prevention and protection of the tigers. We have some more thing about national park, that small animals are much more in danger of becoming extinction than the bigger animal. If you talk about snake, frog and lizard, they were killed by the common people ruthlessly in daily life because people feel they are harmful for them, but They ignored the thing that these small animals plays a major role in the food chain of food web, and killing such animals on a large scale affected the ecosystem. An ecosystem is made up of plants, animal and microorganism in an area. So this is a point which needs to be taken care of. So we have done with the topic, and at the end we have some questions. So give a proper thought while solving or while writing the answers of these questions. If you face any difficulty, you can get back to the video and give proper answer for every given question. Thank you for watching this video. For more, please visit justtutors.com.